Hello and welcome all my dear students. This is Rohan sir from Mahdi English Medium School. Students, how have you been? Welcome once again in the science lecture. I hope that you have watched my previous science lecture. Have you watched? If you have watched, you might be knowing that in the previous science lecture, what have we done? We have completed chapter number 12, textual exercise. So in the previous lecture I sent you few objective remaining theory part. Not only that, but also we have completed question and answers. So after doing that, you might be knowing that we just started reading and the hard words of chapter 13. Now as we have started that, I thought that one more practice is needed for chapter number 12. Because just as we have completed textual exercise of chapter number 12, I think that much practice is not enough for you people. So I have kept chapter number 13 aside for a while. So you have to keep the notes of chapter 13 hard words whichever you have written in your rough book. Then when I send you the video of the remaining half part of hard words, you have to complete the hard words. So this was the instruction I wanted to give you. Now what are we going to do? We are going to solve the worksheet of chapter number 12, air, water and weather. So like I said that I thought you need more practice of chapter 12. Just completing the textual exercise will not do. So this is the reason why have I brought worksheet of chapter 12. And I have even sent you the worksheet of chapter 12 in your groups. So my dear students, now I hope that you are ready with your rough books, because you know worksheet that means you do not have these questions of the worksheet in your textbook. So there is no use of taking out the textbook. Yes, if you have to find the answers, that is different thing. But if you have once understood the chapter, you have written every single thing from the lecture, now you might be remembering all the objectives on the tip of your tongue. You will be easily able to just solve the objective questions. And I bet that you will feel it really easy to solve it. So let's get started. Please take out your rough book, give the heading chapter 12 worksheet, today's date, every single thing you have to write it down, so that when you send the photos we can note down the date, your name and every single detail. I hope you are getting ready with your rough books, and I hope that you are giving the heading. So now I will display the worksheet on the screen. I will zoom in and zoom out the page throughout the lecture whenever or wherever I feel is necessary. So let's get started. So my dear students, this is the starting part of chapter 12 worksheet, objective questions. So this is question 1. Underline the incorrect word. And now you know what do you have to do. What do you have to do? You have to underline the incorrect word and you have to replace it with the correct word. One has been done for you so that you get an idea. There was no need of doing this, because since we have started practicing the worksheet, we are doing this exercise, this type of exercise I should say, regularly for all the chapters. So now you are very well familiar with the format of the lecture, format of the worksheet and every single thing. But still I have solved one so that you can easily understand this concept. So here you have to read the sentence. You have to find out which word from the sentence is incorrect, which does not match with the word, with the sentence. So you have to remove that incorrect word from the sentence and you have to place the correct one in the blanks given here. Later when I send you the PDF file, what you can do is you can take the printout and you can work in the hard copy if you want, or else what you can do is you can just write down the questions from the PDF file. So you have these two options available. So let us start solving question 1. Underline the incorrect word and write the correct one. Number 1. When air moves, it is called cycle. Is it so? No. When the air moves, it is called wind. That is why I have underlined the incorrect word. And I have written the correct, which should come instead of cycle. This is what you have to do for all the remaining questions of this main question 1. So I hope you all are ready, and like all the other lectures, I am going to start the countdown after reading each question so that you can try to guess the correct answer, you can try to write the correct answer. So in short, I want you to run your mind rather than just jotting down the answers from the screen. So let's get started. Number 2. Breeze can cause a lot of damage. Breeze can cause a lot of damage. So what should be the answer? Which is the correct word and which is the incorrect word? That is what you have to write. So first of all, you have to read the sentence. Breeze can cause a lot of damage. So which word is incorrect? Because of which entire sentence is incorrect. So you have to remove that word and place the correct one. For that you have completely 10 seconds. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you get the incorrect word from the sentence? I got it. Let me write the answer. Breeze is the incorrect word. So instead of breeze, what should come? Now if you remove breeze, dash can cause a lot of damage. So correct answer is storms. Correct answer is storms. Storms can cause a lot of damage, but not the breeze. Breeze is the slow wind, slow air blowing. So breeze cannot cause lot of damage. Actually, it cannot cause the damage at all. So storms anyways is the correct word. So I hope that at least you found the incorrect word if you cannot find the correct one. I hope you are writing the answers in your rough book. If you are not writing, please write it down. So later you can get the answers done in the printout or wherever you need it. Number 3. Water gets heated by the sun and goes up as water particles. So what is the incorrect here? Which word goes incorrect? Find it out. You have 10 seconds. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Did you get the incorrect word? Water gets heated by the sun and goes up as water particles. So this is true that the water gets heated because of the sunlight, and this is also true that it goes up then. But as what? In the form of what? Water particles? No, in the form of water vapor. So you have to just remove the word particles and write the answer here, vapor. So I have written the answer, vapor. So water gets heated by the sun and goes up as the water vapor. So it goes up as the vapor, right? In the form of vapor it goes up, and again it condenses and comes down in the form of rain when it is gathered in the clouds. So this is what the answer should be. I hope that you have written the same answer. If not, it's okay. It's okay to make the mistakes. So please write at least the correct answer from the screen. Moving on, number 4. Sea water runs back to fill rivers. Is it true? Sea water runs back to fill the rivers? Anyways, your time starts now. Please guess which is the incorrect word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So students, what should be the answer? Did you get the answer? Some of you might be saying yes sir, some of you might be saying no sir. So students, here I am giving you these two questions in homework. That means, as you know, the students who are watching all my lectures might be knowing that in few questions I give you the homework to solve it on your own, so that I'll come to know how many of you are watching the lectures properly in the sequence and are watching the lectures and are not just forwarding it. So these two are the homework. So if you have watched, only if you have watched the full lecture, you might be knowing that this is the homework. You can send me the answers. You can even say that this question is the doubt or that question is the doubt. You can personally WhatsApp me, but please make sure try to solve in your level best so that I can give you the answers which is correct one in the group. So this is the homework. Let us move on towards the next question, question B. So moving on towards the question B. This is question B. Now give one word for the following. This is what question B is. As we have even done give one word from the textual exercise, these are the extra give one word, and you never know from where do I keep the question in the exam. So please make sure once you get all the answers done within a day or two, you can note it down in the fair book as well. Anyways, let us solve this. Number 1. The cycle involving change of water into water vapor and then to water again. Which is that cycle? Think about the answer. I am starting the countdown. Guess the correct answer till then. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So what is the correct answer? Did you get the answer? The correct answer is water cycle. The correct answer is water cycle. If you have not written the answer, write it down. The cycle involving change of water into the water vapor and then to the water again, that cycle is called water cycle. Water cycle involves these two steps as well. I hope that those who have tried to write the answer before I wrote it on the screen, they have written the same answer. And if you have not at all tried, please write it down from the screen. Number 2. A strong wind with rain or snow. What is it? A strong wind with the rain or snow. Think about the answer. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So what is the correct answer? Here, let me write the correct answer. It is storm. You know that when the heavy wind is going on, strong wind is there, and with that lightning, snow or rain is there, it is called storm. So a strong wind with the rain or snow, it is called storm. Please write the correct answer, and if you have written, please check your answer. S-T-O-R-M, storm. Okay, now the last one, gentle wind. Very easy question, don't you think so? I should say easiest question if you have understood the chapter. So gentle wind, what is it? Anyways, guess the correct answer. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you get the answer? Actually, you do not need any countdown for this. This is very easy. So the correct answer is breeze. I hope that you have written the answer. I should suppose that you have written the answer before the countdown started because it was too easy to solve. Okay. Now our question B is over with this. Let us move towards one interesting and I should say one of the favorite questions of the students. They always demand for, which is fill in the blanks with the correct letters, where students mostly feel as if they are playing the game because they are getting the hint for the starting letter of every single blank. So I hope that you are again ready with the heading question C. See, now again and again I am not telling you that give the heading question B, question C, because we have been doing these type of worksheets and questions since many months. So now you should know that how you have to work it out. Small details are not given for every lecture as we are doing this since many months. So I hope that you are working it out properly in the lecture, as for every single question I am giving you sufficient time and detail and information so that you can get the good guide how you have to work. Anyways, let us start solving question C. Number 1, again you are going to get 5 seconds of the countdown. So number 1, T dash and lightning sometimes accompany storms. T dash and the lightnings sometimes accompany storms. So the answer starts with T, letter T. Your countdown starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you get the answer? What is the correct answer? The correct answer is, let me write the answer here in the blank. It's Thunder. What is the spelling? Thunder. So that means it is thunder. Thunder and the lightning sometimes accompany storms. So my dear students, please write the answers properly. Number 2, W dash changes every few months. What changes every few months? Do you know the answer? Some of you might have the smile on the faces because you might be knowing the answer, or you have at least an idea of what could be the answer. Anyways, your countdown starts now. Please try to guess the correct answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So what is the correct answer? Dash changes every few months. The correct answer is WEATHER. So it is weather. Weather changes every few months, or I should say every 3 months, right? Now next one is C dash change according to the season. Dash change according to the season. Okay, your time to think the correct answer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So what is the correct answer? Answer is very easy. It's C Climates. So climates change according to the season. Obviously there is a climatical change even with the change in the season, especially in the India we have 5 seasons as it was mentioned. So the climatic changes are also there, weather changes with the season obviously. So I hope that you are writing the answers in your rough book properly. Next, number 4. W dash and cloudy days are cooler than sunny days. So dash days are cooler than the sunny days. Your time to think the correct answer starts now. Please try to think the correct answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So dash and cloudy days are cooler than the sunny days. The correct answer is windy. So W is already given. If you were noticing, I am just writing the second half part of the word. So, or I should say the remaining part of the word. So it's windy. Windy and cloudy days are cooler than the sunny days. Moving on to the last fill in the blanks. D dash particles help to form clouds. Again, I am giving this in the homework. I hope that you will solve it in the homework, and it is very easy. So I expect 99% of the students at least to send me the work. And make sure you have to send all the written work to your follow-up teachers. But these type of homeworks where you have to check the answer, where you have the doubts, that is what you have to send it to me personally in my WhatsApp number. Now let us move on towards the last question for the day, which is again one of the favorite questions of the students. Match the following. So students, here in this match the following, you have to directly write the answers in front of the questions. These are the questions, so you do not have to change the order of this 1, 2, 3, 4, but the order of this will change. So you can directly just write the answers in front of the questions beside the questions. But let us first discuss about the question and the answer of match the following, column A and B. Column A, sea water, snow, evening, oxygen. So here on column B side, options are air, slanting sun rays, salty, frozen water vapor. So I hope that you have started thinking about the answer. Now I will just count 10, and at least I hope that you will get the match of 2 questions. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So students, did you get the pair of 2? At least 2 out of 4 questions. Let us see if you have got. Check your answers. If you did not get, please write the answer. So the match of sea water, what can you say? Can you say it is air? It has air or slanting sun rays? No. Can you say it is salty? Yes. Sea water is salty. Sea water is salty. Now what is the match of snow? Can you say that snow is in the air, or has a slanting sun rays, or is a frozen water vapor? What can you say about snow? Okay, can you say it is a frozen water vapor? Yes, it is a frozen water vapor. Certainly, that is why it comes in the form of snow wherever it is very cold climate. So this is the match. I hope that you are writing the answers. See, you have to write sea water, put a dash, and then you can write salty. This way you can write the answer for all these 4 questions, so that later when you have to copy it down in your fair notebook, you can copy it down easily. Please make sure you write it down in the lecture itself. Now moving on to next, evening. What can you say? Can you match the evening with air or the slanting sun rays? Which option fits best? That is what you have to think. 2 options might be matching with one question, but which matches the best, or which option again matches with the other question? Every single thing you have to see. So here, evening, can you match it with the air? No. Can you matching with the slanting sun rays? Yes. In the evening you can see the slanting sun rays sometimes from the clouds, because the sun sets slowly. So you can see the slanting sun rays in the evening. Correct? I hope that you are writing the answers properly. And students, one more thing, when you are writing the answer, for example 1 sea water, then you have to put the dash or equal to sign, and then just, you don't have to write salty, you will write sea, then you will keep some space and write salty. So option letter also should be written. Now the last one, oxygen, obviously is going to match with the air, because air contains various gases in which oxygen is also there. Carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, every single gas is there in the oxygen, in the air. Every single gases are there in the air. So this is what it is. So oxygen is also there in the air. So these are the match. I hope that you have also matched it in the way I asked you to do so. So my dear students, I end my today's lecture here. In the next lecture, perhaps we are going to solve another objectives of the other worksheets of the same chapter, and perhaps we will even start chapter 13. We will continue marking the hard words for that, and keep following all the lectures regularly. Have a nice day, take care, stay safe, goodbye.